Harry Styles' beauty brand Pleasing just got a new poster boy. The Los Angeles Times report rock legend Mick Fleetwood is the face of Shroom Bloom, Harry's latest collection of face and nail products. Look at this. Mick is one of Harry's musical heroes. He grew up on Fleetwood Mac. Hello, we all did. And describes Mick as a magical man of wizardry. We could not agree more. Look at this, right? All these images. Harry Styles just, for me, does everything right, you know? Like, from his albums to his aesthetic to these products and the way he markets it, his vision, I just think is so one of a kind.
I also think it's really on trend. I think that my prediction for the world, everything is going to become mushroom. Like,
really?
Yes, absolutely. I know that sounds silly, but it's not. Mycelium is going to be the next great resource. It grows underneath the ground. It's what the mushrooms grow out of, but it's like trees in that it absorbs all of our toxins, and you know, people are making clothes out of it. It's going to be the biggest thing in fashion. It's going to be like the next great resource. But I just think shrooms will be trending real heavily.
Mushroom, investing in mushrooms.
Invest in that mushroom.
Wow.
Well, turning to a food that doesn't feel, I mean, as divisive. Okay, it's the food of the future, apparently. Oh. They're creepy, they're crawly, and they're today's food news.
Well,
Nom, 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 nom.
we are not feeling great about
So the Albuquerque Journal reports that there's one protein everyone's talking about, and that would be bugs. Insects have been in diets around the world for ages, but now there's a new interest in insects as a sustainable food choice. Insects take less water and land to cultivate than other animal proteins, and today we have been challenged with seeing what all the buzz is about with a bug flight.
I don't.
We have a special guest taster, Beth Nidick. Are you here?
I'm right here.
You're gonna taste these? Oh,
I am. I
What?
have teenage boys, and they always eat like gross stuff. So when this came up, I was like, I gotta do it. They do it. Mom's gotta do it.
You know who loves eating bugs? It's a joke.
No, who?
My aunt. No. That's stupid.
Oh my God. Well, ironically, we don't have ants. We have
I know.
tarantula.
Oh my gosh. Look what I have here, Drew. A scorpion. Look. Whoa.
Crickets,
Yeah.
silkworms,
Blech.
a sago worm, don't know what that is, and grasshoppers. I don't know if I can do it.
Okay. All right, Beth, are you gonna do one of these?
I'm using barbecue sauce.
Okay, you're using barbecue sauce and you're going with the silkworm?
Yes.
Oh God, Drew, are you gonna do this?
Think potato chip.
Think potato chip, okay. Oh God. Oh God. Oh.
She's sharing. Okay.
Oh God.
I'm gonna lose my nerve.
Okay. Oh
I
God.
can't. The tarantula is really freaking me
But
out.
I feel like you should have sauce.
Oh
Nick?
no.
Thinking potato chip.
What are you gonna do?
Let's see.
I don't even want to touch it.
I'm gonna.
Oh, she's doing it. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm not kidding. It is totally delicious.
Oh, so what does it taste like? Just describe it.
Like a crunchy treat.
Really?
Ross, why don't you try it and you can tell me what it tastes like? Oh, there's an aftertaste.
Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna do one. Are you gonna do one?
I ate that one. There is an aftertaste.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you see me? I was so brave. I was.
Did you do the scorpion? Did anyone do the scorpion? Will anyone do the scorpion? You raised your hand.
Oh! Ah! Oh my God! Yuck!
I'm so excited.
All right.
Oh.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Disgusting.
That is incredible. This was so much fun.
Yeah, well, I have to say, this sort of bugged me.